Today we are going to check out a new text-to-image tool called Ideogram. And the special thing about this tool is that it can create text. So let's go ahead and jump right in and check out this new tool. So the website is ideogram.ai. The website is pretty straightforward. You just have to type your prompt in this form, and you can also select various different styles. Okay, so I wrote my name. Here are a few examples. This is definitely my favorite. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. You can see the text turned out perfect. It has every single letter, and it looks amazing. I also love the glossiness of the text, and the actual text to image styles are also just as good as the text. Let me go ahead and show you a few more examples. I love the way these are turning out. Now, the only issue is that there is a lack of sharpness, but I can easily fix that in Photoshop. And look how good these look. Like, this is so cute. Now, this one we can start to see that sometimes the letters are not perfect. Like, for example, with the N, it is missing the letter U. I am going to try to see if maybe I can fix that later. Now, if we do want to try to fix the extra letter to see if the software can actually fix it, they do have a remix button. So let's go ahead and click that. And it's going to bring up the prompt again so that you can try to adjust it. So let's go ahead and just click generate again to see if it's going to create a better version. Okay, wow. Okay, so I can already see one of them is fixed. Okay, so with this first one, we can see now the U was added, but then it kind of messed up this second letter. But this one I could actually fix in Photoshop pretty easy. This one is now perfect, really fun, colorful, and stylish. So that did create a image that I love. Let's keep scrolling. Okay, this one turned out perfect as well. And this is another image just to show you that it can definitely write text. I probably should have used this one for my thumbnail. I really love the way that it looks. And here's an example of kind of a hyper realistic photography. I wanted to put my name on the puppy. I love English bulldogs. They're so cute. So I am so happy that this turned out just right. I mean, this is so adorable. Now, this is an example of let's not overhype everything. I have noticed, I don't know if they're doing this on purpose, but for some reason, the word Midjourney doesn't usually turn out right. I think I had to make almost 20 attempts to even get the word Midjourney to turn out. Yet other words turn out perfectly fine. So I'm not sure if they're purposely not allowing the software to spell out Midjourney. Um, it could be their own fine tuning as far as certain words that they don't want spelled out using their software. But overall, I mean, you could definitely quickly edit this in Photoshop. But I just wanted to mention that because I did notice that with specific brands and other companies, they usually seem to have a limit set on that. So I wonder if that was on purpose or if it just happens to be that the word Midjourney is not working. So this is from the image from my thumbnail, and as you guys can see, this one did turn out right with Midjourney, even though this letter right here does kind of look slightly like a P, but you can kind of see like this was covering it, and there was an extra letter, but I actually changed that for the thumbnail. So like I said, it gets you about 90% of the way there. And by the way, it makes amazing, cute characters as well. I love Baby Yoda, how he turned out. He is so adorable and cute. I absolutely love the way that he turned out. Now, all characters don't turn out right. This looks like a monstrosity. I mean, my name did turn out. So the primary feature of using this tool for text to image did work. This part of the character did not turn out right. I love the dimension, the 3D effect. I mean, it looks so good. The fact that this is actually wrapped around the cake slice and the frosting. I mean, and look right here how it's actually bent over the candies. I mean, I'm really blown away by the depths. And I mean, this is amazing. Like the colors, the textures, the glossiness, the reflection. I mean, there is one letter missing here, but I can easily fix that in Photoshop. With this last example, I just wanted to show you how great it works with different textures. So the fact that this is a glass bottle and then the name actually looks like it's etched on the glass and it's made with a different depth. I mean, it looks so good that I'm just really blown away. I love the way these images are turning out. So right now I am a huge fan of this app already. Like this is definitely the best AI app that I've seen as far as creating text with your own AI images. So this tool is free and you can create all the images that you want currently. Now, the only downside, because I know it is very exciting, but it is only for personal use. Currently, it is not for commercial use. So have all the fun you want, but you can't use it yet to create your products and services yet. But I'm very excited about where they are going to take this tool because so far it is definitely my favorite as far as making really unique text and AI images together. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the review. Have a great night. Bye-bye.